आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। माई सेल्फ इज़ धीरज कुमार सिंह, प्रैक्टिसिंग एडवोकेट ऑफ इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट। What are legal remedies under CRPC? First, application for medical examination of accused by police officer, section 53. Second, application for medical examination by accused persons, section 54. Third, application for search of persons wrongfully confined, section 97. Fourth, application for restoration of abducted females, section 98. 5. Application for maintenance of wife, children and parents, section 125. 6. Application for conditional order for removal of nuisance, section 133. 7. Application against breach of peace to immobile property, section 145. 8. Application to dispense with personal attendance of the accused, section 205. 9th, application to consolidate police case and complaint case, section 210. 10. Application to recall of witnesses when charge altered, section 217. 11. Application for commission or the examination of witness, section 284. 12. Application for local inspection, section 310. 13. Application to summon material witness, section 311. 14. Application to proceed against other persons appearing to be guilty of offence, section 319. 15. Application for withdrawal of prosecution, section 321. 16. Application in bailable offences, bail application in bailable offences, section 436. 17. Bail application in non-bailable offences, section 437. 18. Anticipatory bail application, section 438. 19. Bail application before High Court or Sessions Court, section 439. 20. Cancellation of bail applications, section 439 clause 2. 21. Appeal against conviction by convicted person, section 374. 22. Bail criminal appeal before High Court, section 389. 23. Appeal by state government in conviction, section 377. 24. Appeal by state government in acquittal, section 378. 25. Appeal against conviction by High Court, section 379. 26. Reference to High Court, section 395. 27. Criminal revision, section 397/401. 28. Transfer application in appeal, sessions judge, section 408. 29. Transfer application in appeal, High Court, section 407. 30. Transfer application in appeal, Supreme Court, 406. 31. Miscellaneous application before High Court, 482. 32. Criminal writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. 33. Stay application in criminal writ petition, Chapter 22, Rule 1 of the High Court Rules. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, please subscribe it and like and share it with others so that others may take benefit thereof and take advantage of it.